Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Super Centers here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christians, but gosh darn, you know me as the van guy. I got more vans for you today. 2018 Pleasure-Way Lexor, 29,000 miles. Very hard to find. We got some used ones in. Factories had a hard time getting chassis, and these are some colors that have been discontinued, so you might find something here that you like. So on the Dodge Pro-Ram chassis, 6-cylinder, front-wheel drive. We'll just turn on the master light switch. Seats do swivel around and recline. So in addition to the panel up front, you have another panel here in the back. This one, you hit a button and the couch folds down, makes into twins, or you can fill it in as a queen-size bed. All your tank capacities are here, lights, etc., so you don't have to go back up front. Heat source, air conditioning and furnace is here. Flat screen TV, DVD player, directional power wind guard antenna. Lots of storage throughout. And of course down this side we have a lot of upper storage. Jalousie windows on both sides. They are screened so you can get cross ventilation. We have a fantastic fan up above. Solar panel controllers here in the back. 110 outlet. Another 110 outlet down here. Fuses, circuit breakers, propane furnace, convection microwave. Nice big drawer. Recessed 2-burner stove. Igniter right here in the middle. Single lever faucet, Corian countertops with recessed sink, and they worked around the plumbing to give you some drawer space. Another 110 outlet, space for the trash can, Truma control system, refrigerator. Everything's up at eye level, easy to see. Freezer's up on top. Don't need a freezer, you can pull this assembly out and make a big refrigerator. Bathroom. Very nice bathroom for a very small unit. Medicine cabinet. Again, nice vanity, Corian countertop, shower head. I put a window in, of course it's got a privacy curtain. Your shower, more LED lights, little spot over here to put your soaps, etc., and some storage down below. Right in front of this, right behind the driver's seat, you've got your closet for hanging space. You got your tabletops to fill in to make the queen bed. All your information on the units right here with all the serial numbers for reference in the future. Some slide out drawers here. Of course, a nice mirror. Storage all the way across the front. Privacy curtain hangs here so we don't have to bother with the window kit up front. There's a fantastic fan I spoke about. LED porch light. Again, electric awning. So you can run it out 6 inches or 8 feet, whichever you prefer. Water fills here. 110 outlet. Propane hookup for a barbecue. Backup cameras up on top for great visibility. It's got a little hitch for towing lightweight things or maybe a bike rack. Lithium powered, very expensive, long lasting, a lot of power out of that. That's the way to go. Got a privacy screen down here in the back so you can cover your rear windows. This has a 2800 watt Onan microlight generator, runs off gasoline off your main tank. Exhaust is right back down here. Vent for your battery, intake and exhaust for your propane furnace inside. Vent for your refrigerator, service entrance, and your Truma AquaGlow for your water system. Utility center. This is where you're going to get your shore cord plugged in here. Propane on and off, cable, and your city water. Outdoor shower, hot and cold water. You want to rinse something off, you don't have to freeze. Down here, it's your dump station with your black and your gray handle. Sewer hose goes right in there. It's easy to get to. Takes regular gasoline. Fuel doors right here, easy to find. So I left this one running so I can demonstrate that you can push this button here. Both mirrors fold in tight. So if you get in a tight parking spot like we just pulled out of, it's a very nice feature. Also, it's got a control for the top mirror and the bottom mirror on both sides. Switch drivers, it's easy to get them fine and adjusted without a lot of monkey work. Normal features with cruise control, air conditioning. If you have any questions on this, well, certainly you can call in and ask for the van guy, easy to remember, or you can call me direct at 541-554-9581. Thank you.